Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy with AUTOMOTIVE, man, and we back with another one. Make sure you hit the like, comment, subscribe. If you want to know what this is, make sure you continue to watch the video. Let's go. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy AUTOMOTIVE, man, and you're tuning in for another one. If you wonder what this is, if you don't know, now you know. This is the alternative to the third brake light. If you cannot get your hands on a third brake light. So this one got some functions. Let me see if I can find it. So it comes with this like extension cord. If you want to extend the wires from the actual light to there, but if you don't need that much of an extension, then you can plug directly into it. So this extension it comes with a light, but it's not required. Same. So it says tail box lamp controller. Once again, for this one, this is for the trifecta. Well, I don't know. See, I was thinking about putting it in the two-door, but then I was thinking about putting it in the brown. I think I'm gonna put it in the brown. I think. I'm not 100% sure yet. Not 100% sure yet. But so let me show you what we got. So you got watch my neck. So you got your negative and your positive. Well, the negative and then the red positive is just it coming on, pretty much. So you're gonna go red and black. Alright. So red and black. Hold on, y'all. I know that side's black, so you ain't gonna see no damn light over there. Hold on, y'all. We having some technical difficulties. Or maybe we're not. Let me see. I'm gonna go to the liquor store. This is getting on my damn nerves. Unless so there's the whiff lamp, the brake, left turn, right turn, and down. So I wonder if you have to have power to the red and the one that's being chosen. So let's go green and red together, and then black on the other side. So this is live. Well, not live, but you get the idea. It wasn't pre-rehearsed. Alright, we got action. Alright, so listen and watch the light show. So this one right here, Green is the width lamp, and then of course black is the thing. So we go these two on this side, and then maybe hard for y'all to see. You can barely see it. Hold on. Alright, we back. Changed up the lighting a little bit so y'all can see it a little bit better. So yeah. So green, which one are we going? We're going with green for the width, red, and then black. So green, red, and then black. So yeah, these two on that side. Oh, hold on. Then now you can better see it. It don't help that my fucking shirt is red, but you get the idea. Alright, so that's the width lamp. Then the brake is gonna be the white. So I don't know. The white should be able to act on its own, I would think. No, it seems that the red has to have power the whole time. With the other one, it was different. Even though similar boxes and everything, it was different. So for this one, yeah, so this is the brake light. See, that's that one. That's the brake, and then there is one yellow. Then you got your turning signals, right? So of course your red, power to that, and of course when you wire it in the car, you're gonna need to find a schematic and all of that. But a video may be coming down the pipe later on the install. No promises. So yeah, that's turning that way. And then if you get the other wire, the other yellow wire, which is the other turn signal, then you should go back the other way. Yep. Oh, it's the light show. So you got two yellows for your turn signals. The brake is white. Red has power all the time. And then G, which is the width lamp, which is the green. That may be the hazard. I don't know. I wouldn't think so, because the hazard doesn't have its own wire, I don't think. It just makes both blinkers blink at the same time. So yeah, let me go back with the green one more time and see what it does for the width. Yeah, like a strobe. So yeah, man, if you are not able to find the actual Aurora, if you're not able to find the actual Automobile Aurora third brake light that 78 Chevy boy has made, or made popular or whatever, I know that I was not able to find one in my area. However, I was able to find this one on eBay, I believe. people selling them, etc., etc. So get in where you fit in, do you, or you know, reach out to somebody that's selling them. Like I said, this video was pretty much just for a review. I do think I may put that one in my Pro-Am. I'm not 100% sure. It might go in a 2 though. I don't know. I want to put it in one of them, but I already have a third brake light. Actually, I have 2 third brake lights. Yeah. So I got 2 third brake lights. So, but I got 4 cars. So something's getting this. You know what I'm saying? The C10 can't have it can have a third brake light. However, it probably wouldn't fit. So it may end up going into Cutlass. You know what I'm saying? Who knows? So till next time, y'all, it's your boy LSRI254, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice, and choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.